I want to introduce you to something completely unique, our 3-tier sheds. This is not just any shed, this shed is exclusive to Gillies Mackay. You won't find it anywhere else because we designed and engineered it ourselves to eliminate every single problem you get with a standard single-skinned shed. The biggest difference? It's completely waterproof. Unlike typical sheds on the market, which let in damp, condensation and leaks over time, our 3-tier sheds keep everything inside completely dry for life. Now, why do our larger sheds require a 3-tier specification? You can choose the 3-tier specification on any size shed, but for larger sheds with walls spanning more than 4 metres, this specification is essential. Why? Because over the last 35 years, we've seen the challenges that come with larger sheds. The longer the walls, the more exposed they are to the elements, which means more work for the shed to do to keep the water out. Standard single skin sheds, especially at larger sizes, struggle with water ingress. The walls are simply too exposed to wind-driven rain, condensation and moisture, making it much harder to keep everything fully dry inside. So, we decided to solve the problem at the source. That's why our larger sheds are built using the 3-tier specification, because we know that's the only way to ensure you never face these challenges. So how exactly does the 3-tier specification work? It all comes down to our triple layered construction, a system designed to keep water out permanently while allowing the building to breathe. Let's break it down. So you have the external layer. We use 19mm Scandinavian pressure treated weatherboard. This isn't just for aesthetics, it's your first line of defence against the elements, designed to withstand Scotland's harshest weather. Then you have the middle layer. This is where the magic happens. We add a breather membrane and a 22mm breather cavity. This acts as a barrier, stopping any moisture from penetrating into the structure. It allows air to flow, preventing condensation while ensuring no damp ever reaches the inside of your shed. To finish, we fully line the inside with 9mm OSB. This reinforces the structure, keeping it strong and rigid, and most importantly, creates a fully sealed, dry interior so everything inside stays protected for a lifetime. Now let's talk about the roof, because it's just as important as the walls in keeping your shed watertight. We use Nova steel box profile roofing backed by a 20-year manufacturer's guarantee. Steel is hands down the best roofing material for a shed, far superior to traditional felt which sags, tears and needs replacing over time. It's durable and low maintenance. It won't crack, warp or degrade no matter the weather. It has superior waterproofing. Unlike felt, steel is completely watertight, meaning no risk of leaks or moisture creeping in. It's also incredibly strong. It can withstand high winds, rain and even snow load, making it the best long-term investment for your shed. Underneath, we reinforce the roof with 16mm tongue and groove sarking, a traditional construction method that adds strength, stability and extra insulation, ensuring your shed performs in all conditions. And for doors and windows, you have options. Mortise and tenon doors come as standard for a secure and traditional look, but if you want the ultimate waterproofing and efficiency, you can upgrade to UPVC doors and windows, giving you even more protection, insulation and security. At Gillies Mackay, we don't just build sheds, we build structures that last. The 3-tier shed is an investment in quality, longevity and complete weatherproof protection. So if you want a shed that stays dry, never warps and outperforms anything else on the market, you're in the right place, because no one else builds a shed like this. This is a Gillies Mackay 3-tier shed, built to last a lifetime.